All right, welcome back to the deep dive. If you're anything like us, you want the fast track to knowing what's going on, and right now that is the Stranger Things 5 Volume 2 finale.
The final trailer just dropped, and it's a lot.
It is. So today our mission is to break this thing down. We're going to pull out the key clues Netflix wants us to see and, connect them to the big fan theories.
Exactly. We are decoding the end game for you.
Okay, so let's start with just the sheer visual of it.
Yeah.
The trailer opens, and Hawkins is, it's decimated.
It is. The sources are calling this Vecna's fusion plan, and it looks like it's well underway.
Well, what are we actually seeing? Is it just destruction?
It's more than that. Those 4 gates from Volume 1, they haven't just connected. It looks like they ripped open into this massive single tear in reality.
So Hawkins isn't just a portal anymore.
No, it's becoming the Upside Down. Vecna has basically fused with the entire environment.
And the urgency is just screaming at us. That grandfather clock motif is back, but it's completely shattered.
And on fire, yeah.
It's not subtle.
Not at all. It basically means time has run out. They have to pull off a miracle or it's over. You even see glimpses of the military trying to fight it.
Right, so this is public now. The secret is completely out.
For sure. And they are losing badly.
All that huge destruction really brings us back to the emotional core of this, which is Max Mayfield.
Mm.
Her fate has been the biggest Vulcan. We see her in the hospital bed. Lucas is there.
Yeah.
She's alive, but her eyes are completely clouded.
Yeah, and this just pours fuel on that mind splinter theory. Her body's there, but her mind, her consciousness is trapped somewhere in that psychic realm.
We see her running, right, through the Creel house in her bedroom, but all twisted by Vecna.
We do, but that raises a huge question.
Couldn't that just be, like, a misdirection? Maybe Vecna is just showing Eleven a memory loop to torture her.
It's possible, but I think the clues point to her internal battle being the key. The theory is that 11 is going to have to try something totally new, like a psychic rescue mission.
A mind meld.
A mind meld, exactly, to try and pull her back. If it fails, Vecna could use Max's own emotional power as his final weapon.
Which brings us to the part everyone is dreading, who dies. Vecna is coming for 11, but the trailer pretty much promises a major sacrifice.
Oh, absolutely. And Steve Harrington is at the top of everyone's list.
He is always shielding someone else, always putting himself in danger.
Right. And you hear that "you die, I die" line again, and it feels like it's tied directly to his arc. The fandom is. They're bracing for it.
But it could be someone else. Hopper making one last stand for 11, that would be powerful.
It would, or, and this would be just devastating, what if Max herself makes a conscious choice to sacrifice her mind to seal the rift for good?
Wow. Okay, that would be heavy. Especially because Netflix is dropping this on Christmas Day.
It's a huge strategic gamble, isn't it?
A massive one, but probably smart for viewership.
It guarantees everyone is watching, talking about it over the holidays, but it also ensures that when those tragic moments happen, they hit with maximum global impact. Talk about trauma bonding with the family.
So the showdown's coming. It looks like it's going to be both, cathartic and just devastating.
It is. The fight is going to cost them everything. And that leaves a final thought for you to chew on. Even if they manage to save Hawkins, has Vecna already won? Has he forced a situation where the ultimate cost is the permanent public fracturing of reality itself? What happens the day after the fight ends? That's what we'll be watching for.